Hey friends, if you wish to fix the issue where the Logitech headset is not working on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process to fix it. Right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu, go to the System tab, select Sound, and make sure that the output is selected at Headphones. Or if it is a USB headphone, and if not, if it is a 3.5 mm one, then at speakers. Now go to Windows, click on Check for updates. Once all updates are installed, restart your computer. This should fix it in most of the cases, but if it does not, then search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open the Device Manager. Expand the list for audio inputs and outputs. Right click and update driver. Do it for all the drivers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice